Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the absolute best monthly dividend stocks that have crazy high yields. I'm not saying yields are important, but a lot of these yields are well over 3, 4, some even as high as 9%. So like always, guys, it's better to invest in high quality stocks that honestly pay a lower yield, but these ones have ridiculous growth on the stock side and the dividend side. So the very first one is ticker symbol AGNC. So this is a REIT. This is pretty much a real estate ETF. So this company, they go out and they buy different real estate, and as the tenants pay their lease or their rent, and you guys get a little bit of that money, so you guys can see 12 cents every single month, which is fantastic. This is giving a yield well over 9%, 9.1 to be exact, right? And you guys can see it does have some resistance here at 18, does have some support here at 15. Right now, the reason why I'm hopping into this is because look how much this thing has sold off from its highs, right? It's sold off well over 12%. So it's like buying this thing on a massive, massive discount. And I think the growth is there. Stock number 2 is GLAD. So this one pays around a 6-cent dividend every single month. This is giving a yield over 6.7%. And this company really focuses on a variety of things from, REITs. They have different financial firms. They're just a growing company, and you guys can see their growth here. Really, the year growth is fantastic, coming in at around 33%. And this is giving an approach for dividend investors because you guys can get a dividend every single month. But the company is working with aerospace, communications, technology, materials, and real estate. So the company is growing extremely fast here. They do have a little bit of long-term debt, but it's nothing to be worried about. Companies take on long-term debt all the time, but you guys can absolutely kill it on the growth side with this stock. Stock number 3 is HRZN. This is going to be more of a volatile one. You guys can see it does go up and down at pretty rapid rates, but at the end of the day, guys, this is still a nice solid upward trend with a yield over almost 7%, 6.9%. This is giving a dividend payout of 10 cents, and not to mention this thing is sold off from its highs around 6%. So buying on a discount, I think it's going to use this 200 moving average line as some support. You guys can see it comes in contact several times, and we get buying pressure there. So I think that this is going to be a fantastic one. This is a company that has a lot of tech and biotech. So the stock continues to grow, especially with everything going on right now. This is a fantastic one. 10-cent dividend. You guys cannot beat it. Stock number 4 is LTC here. This is LTC Properties. This is another REIT. One thing that does concern me on this one is this. We do have this short-term downward trend where the stock has sold off more than 20% in value. So yes, it is going to be more of a riskier investment, but one, you guys could have the mindset that you're buying on a discount. Two, if we actually go and look at the 3-year chart, it's going to be a little different here. Let's wait for it to load so you guys can see it doesn't really move too much. If anything, it's pretty much buying on a support line, but look at all these dividend payouts. I think that this is one that you guys can hop in. You don't have to worry about the actual moves. I think that this is a pretty solid one. Stock number 5 is Maine. This is one that hasn't really recovered from the total crash here. You guys can see it fell from 45 all the way down to $14 a share before slowly getting bought up back up to 42. Now you guys can see the actual, if we change the chart and we go to the 180 day, we do have a beautiful upward trend, which is fantastic. 20-cent dividend every single month, which is awesome. So this is another investment firm. So it's very similar to like a bank. It's Main Street. So you guys can see the stock is up well over 33%. And I think it's going to continue to grow. Now, the last one here is ticker symbol PFLT here. Now, this one, you guys can see it does pay out a 9-cent dividend. Beautiful upward trend. And this one really focuses on loans. So they work with banks and a variety of other companies, and they get people loans. And obviously, when you take out a loan, there's interest with that. So that's how this company makes money. Beautiful upward trend, tendency to use that 200 moving average line as support. I think that this is a fantastic one. The beauty of this is all of these stocks, guys, pay a monthly dividend, so you guys can compound your account really, really fast. So that is it. The top dividend stocks that pay a monthly dividend that I am buying. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, stay safe out there. Take care.